Welcome to our roundup of the best tower fans of 2026. Sleek, effective cooling solutions designed to keep your home or office comfortable and well ventilated all year round. Tower fans are popular because they combine powerful airflow with a slim, space-saving design, making them a great choice for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, and even dorm spaces. Today's models go beyond basic breeze. Many offer multiple speed settings, quiet operation, remote control, oscillation, timers, and smart features that help you tailor airflow to your comfort. In this guide, we've selected some of the top tower fans based on airflow performance, noise level, energy efficiency, usability, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each fan stand out. Starting with the Dr. Prepare Tower Fan, this model is a solid choice for users who want reliable cooling and simple controls. It delivers smooth airflow and usually offers multiple speed levels, so you can choose the right breeze for your space. The tower design helps circulate air evenly across the room, and its compact build fits easily into tight corners or narrow spaces. Users appreciate its straightforward operation and stable performance, whether it's keeping your bedroom cool at night or adding airflow to your living area during warmer afternoons. Its lightweight construction also makes it easy to move from room to room when needed. It's especially suitable for small to medium-sized rooms where consistent airflow matters. Overall, it offers dependable daily cooling without unnecessary complexity. Next up is the UthFi Tower Fan, a dependable fan that emphasizes comfort and quiet operation. This model typically features multiple speed settings and built-in oscillation that helps spread air more evenly throughout the room. Its thoughtful design often includes touch controls or a simple digital display that makes adjusting settings intuitive. Whether you're working, reading, or sleeping, the UthFi Tower Fan provides a steady, gentle breeze without distracting noise, making it a great choice for shared spaces or overnight use. The added timer function allows you to set automatic shutoff, which can help save energy and improve convenience. Its slim, modern profile blends easily with most room setups. For those who value quiet performance, it's a practical and comfortable option. Moving on to the Levoit Tower Fan. This option brings a little more versatility and customization to your airflow. Known for blending performance with thoughtful features, this tower fan often includes modes like natural, sleep, or auto, which adjust airflow patterns to create a more comfortable feel over long periods. It also generally offers effective oscillation and a remote control for convenience. With a balance of power and quiet cooling, this model works well in bedrooms, offices, or living spaces where you want refined airflow without constant manual adjustment. Its modern design also complements contemporary home interiors. The airflow feels smooth rather than harsh, which many users prefer for extended use. It's a strong choice if you want more control over how your room is cooled. Stepping up in performance, the Antarctic Star Tower Fan delivers stronger airflow and broader coverage. Designed to cool larger rooms or spaces with higher ceiling heights, this model typically offers multiple fan speeds, wide oscillation, and reliable airflow distribution. Some versions may also come with additional convenience features like a timer or remote control, helping you customize cooling throughout the day or night. Users often highlight its ability to move air quickly and consistently, making it a solid choice for open areas or warmer climates where stronger circulation is needed. Its sturdy base adds stability during operation. If you need a fan that can handle bigger spaces, this one stands out. Taking the top spot for overall performance, design, and airflow efficiency is the Drio Nomad 1 Tower Fan. This model combines powerful airflow with whisper-quiet operation and advanced features that enhance comfort and ease of use. Its efficient motor and airflow design help cool spaces quickly, while features like multiple speed levels, customizable modes, and a remote control make it easy to tailor your cooling experience. The Nomad 1's sleek profile, digital interface, and dependable oscillation set it apart as a top pick for anyone who wants strong performance without sacrificing quiet operation or convenience. It strikes a great balance between power and energy efficiency. For most households, it offers a complete cooling solution with premium-level features. All of these tower fans meet different needs and preferences. The Dr. Prepare Tower Fan is a reliable choice for everyday cooling, while the UthFi Tower Fan emphasizes quiet comfort. The Levoit Tower Fan brings customizable modes for refined airflow control. The Antarctic Star Tower Fan delivers stronger coverage for larger spaces, and the Drio Nomad 1 tower fan stands out with its combination of power, features, and overall performance. That wraps up our list of the best tower fans of 2026. From everyday breeze makers to powerful, feature-rich models built for consistent cooling. If you're upgrading your home comfort, preparing for warmer weather, or looking for a fan that fits your space and needs, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which tower fan you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and stay cool and comfortable wherever you are this year.